Welcome. Join me. Subscribe to Mema. Subscribe, alright? And you would not regret because we live in long. Okay, we're doing coconut oil today. I'm making coconut oil and also we're making body scrub with the coconut oil. Alright, coconut oil is a process now. So we have to go through a little process. But I have it here for you and you could try it at home. Or if you have everything, we could try it today, right now. Alright, so this is a coconut. This is what it looks like. You get a hammer. You gotta crack it. You gotta get the juice out. You could drink the juice. Okay, you crack it, get the juice out, and then you have to take the meat out of it. Alright? So once you take the meat out of it, okay, we're gonna cut it up. So we're gonna cut it into small pieces like this. Because we're gonna blend this. Alright? So into our blender we have 3 cups of water. 1 coconut. So 1 coconut for 3 cups of water. Alright, so I'm going to add that in there. And we're going to blend this up. Coconut oil, all natural. For your skin, for your hair, for your nails, for your body. Come on. Why not? Why not go natural? Alright, so we're going to blend this. Get yourself a blender. I told you guys that I've been juicing. I send up videos on YouTube. Get yourself a blender. Get tasting. We're going to just squeeze this. So just want to get the juice out. And try and get as much juice as possible. Because I'm telling you, a little too coconut, you're not going to get a lot of oil from it. Alright? And this is a process. You have to stay overnight. And get that, oil going. The coconut has to get rancid then. Alright? So you want to leave it like overnight. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys. I already have one that's set up overnight. So I'll show you what it's going to look like. Because if you don't know what it's going to look like, it's like you lost. So thank you for joining this so you guys can have an idea. Okay. Alright, so we're going to squeeze that out really good. But as I said, I already have this already set up because I want to get this moving on. So you get your coconut milk. So when you get your coconut milk, now you get a Ziploc bag. Put your Ziploc bag into a bowl and you would pour your coconut milk into the Ziploc bag. Alright, so you put your coconut milk in there. Okay, you zip this up, get the air out a little, and you would tie this. Tie it up with a string. Alright, you have a string, you just tie it up like this. Alright, you tie it up with your string. And as I said, I already have one done for you. So I'm going to put this one down. So you tie it up like this. And what happened, the point is in tying this up, you want this point to be in this angle. You want the bag to be in this angle. Okay, because what happened now, you're going to separate the water. Remember we put water to blend it up. You're going to separate the water from the actual coconut itself. All right, the cream. Okay, so you want to get that cream. That cream is what makes the oil. So you're going to get that water. That water is going to settle overnight. Alright, so I'm going to show you what it looks like right now. Move this out of the way for now. So I had this one overnight. Hope you could see it clearly. And this is the one that the water is already separated. Let me bring it a little closer. If you could see it. The water is already separated, and this is the cream pad that we're gonna let this water out. That's why I said in my supplies I put up for you guys to buy. You need a pin or scissors and just clip the end or punch. We're gonna let the water out. Alright, so I'm gonna do that now. So I'm just gonna take a scissor, coconut oil. But in the process of your 45 minutes, you will see how it's coming in. I'm going to put that all up on my YouTube video so you can see the whole process of that. Maybe I'll make a blog. Yeah, so I could show you guys. So you see there, this is the milk. I just put in the skillet. So the stove, like about, not low speed, not too high. Maybe like, I would say like a medium, because low really takes forever. This takes like about 45 minutes. Alright, so you would stir that up all the time. Keep stirring, stirring, stirring. You stir it up all the time. And I'm just going to show you guys now what it would look like when it's finished. Alright, so I'm going to strain it off here. So all this brown part is no good. You let it kind of like burn off, okay? And then you get your nice coconut oil. See that? Look at that. Your coconut oil. See that? Coconut oil! Yeah, man!